You're now tuned into Low Key Fanatic, and today we're going to be unboxing the Jarlink laptop stand from Jarlink. Yeah, but the reason I bought this is because I want to be cool. I see everyone's desk where their MacBook is like standing up sideways and the wires running the back to their monitor, and they're like typing away the wireless mouse and the wireless keyboard, and it's just tucked in the corner. It's like, oh, you're saving desk space. You're doing so much great. Save the environment. But I was like, let me go see what this little arc thing everyone put their MacBook in costs. $59.99. $59 just to stand my laptop upright. Because I'm lazy and I don't want to open it up. I just want to have it wires plugged into the back like some fucking Matrix shit, like you're in Zion and, you know, wires running the back of your neck. It's running the back of your laptop to your monitor. I don't know where I'm going with that. But I found this other option, Jarlink. Jarlink, you my dog. You saved me $40-something. Wait, $30-something. Wait, no, 20. A lot of money, because this thing only cost $21.99. And there's two different versions. I bought this version because it has a little slot right here where you can stick your phone in and stand it up. And whatever you want to stick in there, pencil, phone, crayons, if you play with crayons, whatever. But it comes in black, gray, and silver. The black one is $21.99. I got the black one. The gray one is $23.99. The silver is $20.99. But I also have two different versions of these things. They just have the one where it's just slide open without this piece, which is $21.99 in the black and $17.99 in the gray. And you want to hear the kicker? For silver, in the original version, $15.19. What is 19? Just make it $15.99. I'll pay extra. I don't want to pay $15.19. What kind of odd number is that? But this is it. And, oh yeah, I forgot to show you what comes in the box. You get an extra screw just in case you got a screw loose, like I do. You can just screw it in there. But it comes with this thing also. That's cool. You can adjust it, because if you got a fat ass laptop, you know, you need to set it to the fattest fucking dimension on your laptop stand, I guess. But it's basic math. You twist this to tighten it up. So do I gotta show you? I guess I gotta show you because it's YouTube. So you search the video up. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you have this or something else that's better. And don't mention that fucking $15.99 bullshit, because you're just rich and you just rubbing it in my face now. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Sometimes I just like to walk into Starbucks with my laptop like this and just pretend it's an iPad. Everyone looks at me, and I don't do that. But yeah, oh yeah, another tip: when you put this thing in, make sure the vent is facing away, so it's not like, oh, let me block the vent on my laptop stand and mess up your laptop. Look for the vent. Save yourself the hassle. So I'm guessing you just stick it in right there, so like so, and you measure it like this. Or you don't have to tighten it. You could just be lazy as hell. Since you're already lazy and you're looking for a laptop stand, just push it in and leave it like that. But you can, or you could do it like that. See, measured. Then you can flip it around and mess up the dimensions and just, you know, play around with it. Adjust it to how you want it and tighten it. You can even leave it lopsided. Who knows? Who cares? As long as it's standing, right? And there you go. Stick it back in. It's not the right dimension, but you can't tell. Let's see. Examples, right? Bang. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. The link to this product will be in the description below. And this is Low Key Fanatic, and I'm out.